Congratulations on joining the Love Your Teeth family and taking the first step to a brighter, whiter smile. First, brush your teeth normally. Now, prepare your smile light by removing the pull tab on the back to activate the batteries. Rinse the mouthpiece with warm water, being careful not to get the base wet. Flip over one whitening applicator to expose the swab tip and reinsert it into the cardboard sleeve. Squeeze the tube until you hear it pop. Point the swab tip down and make sure the tip fully saturates with whitening solution before applying. Swab your teeth in an even circular motion, focusing on commonly stained areas like between your teeth and by your gum line. This should take about 2 minutes. After you're done applying the whitening solution, pop in the smile light for 10 minutes to activate the solution. That's it! Get ready to have that beautiful, white, love your teeth smile.